Hello students, hope you are all doing fine at home. Are you making the most of your time or not? If not, then let me remind you, not many days are left for your pre-mid examination. So it's high time you started your preparation now. So today we are going to revise the chapter Singular Noun and Plural Noun. Previously we have revised 3 chapters. Those are Common Noun and Proper Noun, Countable Noun and Uncountable Noun, and Gender. Hope you have practiced those chapters well enough. So let us begin revising today's chapter. We are well aware of the definition of a noun, right students? We have learnt it enough times. But still, we will revise it once again. So what is a noun? Say it with me. A noun is the name of a person, a place, or a thing. Look at the pictures here. All that you can see is an example of a noun. Here is a clock, a brush, a ball, a car, a leaf, a shoe. All these are nouns. Now nouns can be more than one. Okay? When we are talking about nouns which are more than one, what do we call them, students? We call them plural nouns. And when we are talking about one object or one noun, we call them singular nouns, right? If you notice carefully, you will see all the images here are more than one. We can see 3 monkeys are smiling at each other, right? How many monkeys? 3. So monkeys, the word monkeys becomes a plural noun. Then there at the corner we can see a girl of your age is looking at 2 doors. Again, there is more than one number of doors, right? Just like doors and monkeys, cups, brushes, pencils and balloons are plural nouns too. I hope it is clear to you that what are singular nouns and what are plural nouns. If the number of noun is 1, then it is a singular noun, okay? And if the number of noun is more than 1, be it 2, 3, 4 or even 100,000, it will be plural. Now we will revise the rules of pluralizing a singular noun. There are different rules following which we can pluralize a singular noun. This is one of those. We can pluralize a singular noun by adding s at the end of the word. Here are a few examples given, such as shoe. Shoe become shoes only by adding an extra s with it. Alright. Then balls, cars, clocks, spoons, cups, etc. etc. Now students, after learning this rule, you will try to find out those objects around you which can be pluralized adding s, and note that down in your grammar copy. Here is a quick matching exercise for you to check how attentive you are while watching the video. Pause the video and do the matching orally. The next rule that we will learn is pluralizing a noun by adding es to the word. Okay? When we need to make plurals of the words ending with sh, ch, s or x, we add es with the singular noun. Remember students, the words ending with sh, ch, s or x, okay? Such as box. Take the word box. Now the word box ends with x, hence we will add es with it, okay? Then the words brush and fish, these words end with sh, so we will add es to pluralize them. All these words become boxes, brushes, fishes by adding es with it. You can take examples like church, bus, and try to pluralize this by following this rule. Here are a few more examples and also a matching that you will solve just like the previous one. The third rule is adding ies with the singular noun. When words end with y, remember students, words that are ending with y, we pluralize it by adding ies with it, such as bunny, pony, all these words end with Y. Hence, we will add IES with it. But there is an exception too to this rule. If you find any vowel letter, vowel letters such as A, E, I, O, U. So if you find any of these letters before the end letter Y, the end letter has to be Y, okay? So if you find any of these vowels before the end letter, that is Y, then we will add only S and not ES, such as monkey. Here the word monkey is ending with Y, but notice carefully, there is a vowel before Y, that is E, right? So if there is a vowel before the last letter, that is Y, we will add only S and not IES. Clear, students? Well, I know you might think that this is too tough and too hard to remember, but trust me, it will get easier with more practice. The more you will practice, the easier it will get. Okay? Okay, so to give some rest to your brain, here is again a fun activity for you. Try to solve it orally. Here this rule says, if the noun ends with F or FE, the F is often changed to VE before adding the S to form the plural version. Okay, look at the examples here and then it will be clear to you. The words leaf, loaf, scarf, all these words end with F, right? Now when we will pluralize it, we will change this F into VE, F into VE, and lastly we will add an S to make it plural. Simple thing to remember, F will change into VE, and at the last we will add S to make it plural. Okay, moving on to your next rule. Few words are here in English language which changes their form completely after being pluralized, such as child. Child becomes children after being plural. Then foot. Foot becomes fit, and many more are there. Go through the examples and also try to find out words which change their form in plural form from your surroundings. Okay? Now quickly find out the correct pair and match it right the way you have done the previous ones. And with this, we have come at the last rule of singular and plural. This rule is very easy to remember, as there is no rule at all. You need to remember those words which do not change their form in either singular or plural. There are words like deer, sheep, salmon, furniture, aircraft, etc., which remain same in both singular and plural. So here is a short exercise for you. This is solely for your practice. Solve this in your grammar copy, and you will get a worksheet on singular and plural in the school website today only. Okay, so you will solve that worksheet and send to your English teachers in their personal WhatsApp number. This is all for today. We will return soon with another revision work. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy, and also keep studying. Thank you.